Hi everyone, Allie with Mann Lake here, and today we are unboxing the Traditional Beehive Kit. Now, when you open the box, you will find that this hive kit is completely assembled. So, inside will be the hive body and frames. To make this easier, I'm going to take the frames out individually. Inside there will be 10 frames, fully assembled with wax-coated foundation. This kit comes with black foundation. And then we have the deep hive body, which is fully painted. Your painted hive will help protect from weather and sun damage, so it'll be more resilient. Next in the kit, we have our entrance reducer. Helps keep out pests like mice from entering your hives in the wintertime when they want to, get some food, or they just want to steal some of the heat from the honeybees. Let them rest. They don't need that. Next is your bottom board, which is important to supporting your hive. You always need a bottom board for your hives, just to be properly supported. So I'm going to place this right here. And next in the kit is your notched inner cover. This is important and goes right under your telescoping cover. And last but not least, we have the heavy-duty telescoping cover. This has an aluminum top with a protective coating to seal it and help it last through harsh weather, sun, the usual stuff. With the box put aside and all of the items out, let's assemble it. I am putting everything to the side and making space for the bottom board. The bottom board will go right here, and the hive will be placed right on top of the bottom board. And then we insert our entrance reducer. Now that we have the bottom board, entrance reducer, and the hive in place, we are going to put our frames back into the hive. And now that the frames are in place, we place our notched inner cover right on top. And then our top cover. And there you have it, fully assembled, your traditional beehive kit. Just add bees.